What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Today on the move, man, trying to make use of this time because I'm about to be on the road yet again. So today, man, we about to hit Showtime transmission rebuild. See what DJ got going on since I wasn't able to get up there the other day. So we got to take the parts right here. Got everything. Got everything in for the transmission. We're doing another 400, but step up from the one in Big Dolo. So we got these two pieces. We'll crack them open when we get there. So I'm about to hit the road, man, cause look like that rain about to come in. They got finished with their good workout. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. Done made it down here to Showtime. Y'all see it? Number on the screen. With a number right there. Boom. Gotta make sure to hit the number up. Got the parts right here, bell housing, and then valve body and tram brake. So we're gonna go ahead and see what DJ got going on. Yeah, quiet in here. Yo, hey. What going on, DJ? Oh, you back here working?
Yeah, you know it.
he back here going in, y'all. He back here working. What you working on now?
Oh, 350, man. We had a warranty deal. We had one that was losing lost first gear.
Yeah.
And the guy brought it back to me. I had to bring me the whole car, let me diagnose and see what's going on.
Okay.
And it was just something that, something happened that got looked over.
Right.
Hey, that's what the warranty for.
Yeah,
Get looked over. Hey, I'm gonna take care of you. So my man came back, gonna get it done free of charge, man. So I ain't even installed it. He installed it. So hey, a lot of people ain't gonna do that. They're gonna tell you to take it out and bring it back to them. Not me. I'm that guy. I'm different, man. I've been telling y'all, check my post out. We're a different transmission shop, man. So hey, you got a problem? Call me. I help you diagnose it. Especially if it's mine, or they bring it in to me, we'll get it taken care of.
That's it, y'all. So DJ in here working, man. Back here getting it in. Said we brought these parts by through here, all of that. So y'all just stay tuned. Catch y'all in a minute. Man, y'all look. DJ can take this. I want to see it, man. He can take it out. That ain't nothing but an orchard bell. Y'all seen the orchard bell.
Right behind you.
Right behind.
Switch the car on.
Boom, right there. That's all that is right there in that box. Orchard bell, whole lot stronger. So that's what's in that box. Said y'all seen them do that before. You cut it and bolt it all up. So that's what's in there. So we don't be breaking no bell housing, none of that.
Hey, we can't show the name. We ain't got no sponsorship on that thing.
Oh yeah, they probably done seen the box already.
I'm gonna cover the name up. Man. Tell her give me some good deals on it. We'll show her the name.
Hey, we gonna work on that. I'm gonna contact them too. I'm gonna contact them for real. Look, y'all hit another orchard bell right here. That's how it look.
You got him laying around there.
Yeah, he got them. That's how it look right there before you put it on there.
So this your valve body right there.
So
it's all billet. They do away with a lot of stuff that's a lot of springs and stuff. It just give you full pressure, man, the whole time.
Right.
And on these right here, the trans brake internally, like the one on your
oh,
Camaro.
It is? Okay.
Yeah, just like your Camaro.
So the trans brake built in, y'all.
And that's your trans brake solenoid right there.
Yep.
When you activate that, it locks it down. Let it go, then move.
So we got the internal tram brake.
Yep, that's it.
Little Showtime. What's up, man?
What's up?
DJ, you ain't been putting the work, hey?
Man, he sent me to work.
Yeah. So that's it, y'all. That's the valve body. Tram brake built in.
Yep.
Ultra bell. That's all we needed to go, y'all.
So it's on?
It's go time, y'all. Like I said, when we get that call from DJ, y'all, we're gonna drop that thing in there. Gonna stick it on in there, and we'll be good to go. So y'all just stay tuned, man. Y'all hit the number. Said y'all got the number out the door. Make sure to hit the number. Y'all see everything. 350s, 400s, 700 R4, 4L60s, 80s, 6L80s. Man, he do everything.
Got them all, man.
He got them long tail, short tail, medium tail on it. he got them all for real though. Y'all hit them up. Y'all see that sticker right there? You official. Get your converters and stuff too.
Yeah, we do
the whole nine. Yeah, he get everything.
Whatever style you want.
Yeah, custom spec.
This one right here can go to this one right here. It's shipping out today to go to Michigan.
Yeah, he shipped too. I've been telling y'all that for years. Like he shipped, no matter if you're in the U.S. or not. Well, I said U.S. He shipped in the U.S. right now. He ain't shipped no international yet.
I've been trying to get that, man. I had a guy contact me from Australia, wanted to transmission. So it's just trying to get across the international water with something that heavy. It's just the price difference.
Yeah, it's expensive, y'all. So it is. So working on that. But in the U.S. the ship, man. He got you. Yep. And y'all see, man, always everything. All I can tell you, everything. So yeah, man, y'all hit the number. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all see it, man. I was in town, so I had to stop by my cousin restaurant. She just about to open. Mal's Crazy Crab. It's gonna be it right here. So you know. I thought I was gonna catch her by here. I thought she was in here. But y'all see it. It's right here. Gonna open grand opening gonna be Friday. Gonna be this Friday. So y'all had to stop by here. Like I said, I want cause I'm gonna be out of town, man. We're gonna be out of town, just flying back in. So, you know, had to stop by and see, check out, holler at them. But y'all see it, Mal Crazy Crab, located Monroe, Georgia, all of that. So look, man, now in the area, you're in the area, you need to come through, support, all of that good stuff. Cause like I said, man, it's gonna be nice. And you know, I'm coming through, show love. Cause all my family, proud of all my family, entrepreneur, doing her thing and all of that. And this a major move, man. This a real major move. So yeah, man, I thought I just saw her walk off, but she ain't in here. She ain't in here. She done locked up. But yeah, I was just stopping by. We done stopped and hit DJ. We done hit Showtime. I'm gonna get the sign for y'all one more time. Boom, boom. Let me bring it up. Mal's Crazy Crab. So look, like I said, man, y'all in the area, come through, support, all of that. It'll be grand opening. Even if you ain't in the area that day, when you're in the area, just come through. Then my family restaurant. You never know, you might catch me in there or something one day. So yeah, that's it, man. I'm finna run some more errands, then get back to the house, and I'ma holler at y'all. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, I'm back at the house. Back at the house. Package came. Glad it came early. Let me see. We gotta get, man, these kids, boy, they just lay stuff anywhere. And that's why y'all, I can't wait. Get this shop. This shop gonna unlock everything, boy. Whole garage to be open. Finish the gym. And my wife started this project, man. We can't even get it finished, cause really most of my stuff now. We cleaned that side out right here. Y'all see, we cleaned all that side out. Most of it, my stuff, the ties, all this stuff can go in the shop. Literally, Everything else y'all see in here gonna be in the shop. All this pile gonna disappear. Y'all know that. That's that big Meech pile. That's gonna disappear soon. I need to wrap this up for it. Get too bad sealing. It ain't bad though, but I had stopped by the shop too. Had to drop off some zip ties for John Jones. Done checked it out. Told y'all everything cool. Everything cool, man. Just broke the fan strap. That's all. Let me show y'all what we see. Now all my packages in. Cause next time, man, what the little baby after you, boy. But next time we going to Summit again, man. We're gonna have to hit the bank, and I'm gonna have to get the rest of the stuff, get the nitrous stuff, nitro kit. I was gonna put a fogger on the car, but I don't know. I might still do it. Well, anyway, here we go. Ooh, woo. These bad boy, thick boy. You ain't blowing these. That's why I say I like copper, man. I never used them. I always thought about it, but I ain't used them on header gasket, I should say. But yeah, you ain't blowing these. Might be copper from here on out for me. Copper for me. So we got them. Like I said, these two things in the box, man, they were about $300. This, and let me tell y'all how much it was. It was where is it? Where is it? It was about $300. I would've got some more Summit, but $240 for these two pieces in the box. $240. This that yoke I was telling y'all about. Go back. Gotta go back and look at the other video. This take a bigger. Man, that don't look like no 1350. I guess it is. That strange pinion. Pinion. Then you gotta have your seal go back there. But this bolt to the back of the rear end basically, and it make it so it take a 1350 U joint. But it looked like a man. I get. Oh nah, I see it. It sit like that. It sitting there. Yeah, 1350. U joint instead of a regular 1310, which is what they come with from the factory. So that's a strain. That part right there. Well, most of the total. So we got that. I showed y'all straps in the other video. So we got that now. We good to go. I got everything I need to at least put Meech together and get oil pressure, get it running. We now have everything we need. We gonna drop the parts off for the transmission. I stopped by when we come back, get the converter. I don't even know when I'm dropping this. I'm probably already back the time y'all looking at this. This still being shot way ahead of time. So, but anyway, at the time when we get back, like I said, we're gonna get started on this. I got everything we need. We got the radiator, fans and shroud built in, relays for the fan. We got the higher amperage alternator cause you need it for that. We got the pulley system to bolt for that. We got a power steering pump down there. Pulley come with that for the power steering pump. We gotta get lines. We got good little knick-knack stuff that you get from AutoZone. NGK spark plugs. I gotta get a card bracket to hold the accelerator cable, which about to order that today from 918 Motorsports. Shout out to my guy Jeff. So we're gonna get that coming. We got transmission cooler, braided transmission line. We don't need that to get it crunked, but that stuff I'm gonna need. Distributor. We got wires in there, header gaskets, headers, floor shifter cause we got to have it now. Exhaust not needed right now just to get oil pressure. Fittings and all that stuff not needed to get oil pressure. We got starter. Yeah, starter down there. We got starter. Big Meech already wired up and stuff. We got to get a dry shaft. So I got to get a dry shaft. So I'm gonna get that ordered. That's the only piece that I don't have that I need to put this thing together. So have oil pressure, crank it up and move it. Oil, I'm gonna run some Royal Purple in this thing. So I got the man, bright. Let me turn y'all down. So I'm gonna get some I'm gonna order that. Get some royal purple oil. I love that oil. Royal purple. We gotta get oil. The fluids. We gotta get oil, transmission fluids. I'm gonna go ahead and get all that stuff. Everything we need to set the engine in here, fire it up, get oil pressure, and be able to move it. I'm gonna get everything. So the next load y'all see, it's gonna be everything to actually complete the car. Nitro system, progressive controller, all that. We already got fuel system stuff. Another fuel pump. All of that. It's gonna be all that stuff to really complete the build, like actually complete it. So yeah. They're gonna be it, man. They're gonna be it, y'all. I want to show y'all the parts that came in early. That was good. I got a lot of work to do. So I'm about to go on end this video. And I know I ain't been back-to-back daily uploads. It's just because I've been so busy. Not only with the channels, but just with other stuff I got going on business-wise, man. I got my hands in some other stuff too. So I just been real busy. Trying to just get things in place, man. Then people gonna see it when it all like fall in place in its time. So yeah. They're gonna be it, man. So like I said, y'all stay tuned in. It's gonna be upload every other day for right now until finish handling all their business. So I appreciate y'all. Catch y'all later.